kababayan.
Yo guys, Sunrock Luna here, and hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So excited lang ako guys. Mail call. Syempre, thank you once again Kuya Dra ng Timber Toys, and as well, dahil may collab ang Timber Toys kay Sir J ng Art of J. Ito na ang mail call natin guys. Ang collaboration ng Timber Toys and Lab 520 by Art of J, guys. Ayan, or J ni Sir J. Thank you so much. So guys, check out natin. Napakaangas guys nito. Let's go! Ito na nga guys, ang collab t-shirt ng Timber Toys and ng Lab 520 by Art of J. Napakaangas. Daily Budol guys. Tingnan nyo naman. Napakaganda ng print. And as well at the back guys, napakaganda. Sulit. Mala Francis M's design guys. Superman in Manila. Ayan guys. Check nyo guys. Sulit. Napakaangas. So guys, kung gusto nyo mag-order nito, please do check out as well Lab 520 Facebook page and Art of J Facebook page as well. Order na kayo or check out nyo rin ang posting ni Kuya Dan ng Timber Toys for the collaboration t-shirt. Yan. Pakaangas toro. So guys, tara. Quick fitting tayo. Let's go! Hola! Sheesh! Ganda. Daily Budol guys. Collab shirt by Timber Toys and Sir J. Ayan sobrang ganda ng quality guys. Ang t-shirt makapal, cotton. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Maganda ang printing. Hindi basta-basta to matatanggal. I-washing machine mo pa yan. Kung gusto nyo mag-order ng t-shirt na to, check out nyo ang post ng Timber Toys or check out nyo rin ang page ng Lab 520 or Art of Jaya. Yan, nandoon. Pwede kinyong i-message si Sir J para sa orders ng mga t-shirt na to. Napaka-affordable lamang guys ito. At sulit na sulit para sa daily clothing ninyo kahit saan. Lalong-lalo na kung kayo ay fan, hindi lang ng Timber Toys pero syempre, ito sulit. Yung design sa likod pa lang. Men from Manila ang datingan niya. Francis M style guys. Yan. So guys, yun lang naman. Sunrock Luna out. Check out nyo na mga t-shirt na to. Bumili na rin kayo. Lab 520 collab t-shirt ng Timber Toys. Daily Budol lang guys. Sunrock Luna out. Peace. Bye-bye.